In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your friends on Discord. Discord has become the go-to virtual gathering place for gamers, communities, and groups of friends to hang out and chat. It's a vast platform filled with numerous servers, channels, and direct messages, but how do you take that first step of actually finding your friends on Discord? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Firstly, you'll need to access Discord. If you're not already logged in, no problem. Simply go to the Discord login page, which you can easily find by searching for Discord in your preferred web browser, or by typing discord.com/login directly into the address bar. Once you're on the Discord login page, the process is straightforward. To start, you'll need to enter your email. Make sure this is the email address you used when you signed up for Discord. It's easy to forget which email we use for various platforms, but it's crucial here because it's your unique identifier. Next up, you will be prompted to enter your password. Remember, your password is your key to the world of Discord, so keep it safe and secure. If you've forgotten it, there's usually a forgot password link nearby to help you reset it. Now, after you've successfully entered your email and password, you just click on the login button. This should take you directly into your Discord account, landing you at the heart of your Discord experience. At this point, you are officially within the realms of Discord, and it's time to navigate your way to your friends. Look for the Discord home button, which is typically found at the top left corner of your screen. It's your portal to everything your Discord account has to offer, from direct messages to server lists and more. Now the exciting part. To begin adding your friends, you'll want to click on the Add Friend button. Discord has designed its platform to be as user-friendly and intuitive as possible, so finding this button should be straightforward. It's usually located at the top of your friend list or within your user settings. Once you've clicked on Add Friend, it's time to enter your friend's Discord username. Here's a little tip. Discord usernames are case sensitive and include a 4-digit tag number. You'll need the exact username to send a friend request successfully. This might involve reaching out to your friend through another means to get their exact username if you don't already have it. After you've entered the correct username, all that's left is to click on Send Friend Request. And voila, your request is on its way. Once your friend accepts your request, you'll be able to see them in your friend list, start private conversations, or even invite them to servers. Sending a friend request on Discord is the first step in building your community or joining one, whether it's for gaming, studying, or just hanging out. And remember, the whole purpose of Discord is to bring people together, so don't hesitate to reach out and connect with your friends. Remember, communication is key to maintaining and building relationships, even in the digital world. Discord offers countless ways to interact with your friends through text, voice, or video calls, and joining different servers. The possibilities are virtually endless. That's all for today's guide on how to find your friends on Discord. With these steps, you'll be connecting with your friends and diving into communities in no time. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and happy chatting on Discord.